On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. So here we are. I'm just going to do about half of this cucumber because we're only making one salad. But you can see these are really cute. And when we'll put them in the salad, they'll look really nice. So I'm going to put them over here with the green beans. Last thing is our tomato. So what I'm going to do is cut this up. This is a really big tomato. We're not going to use the whole thing. But I usually just do this on one side. And I'm just going to do I think I'll do wedges on this. So and we're not going to seed it. It'll be like a regular salad. So we'll just do this, and some cuts across like that. So that'd be nice. So those we'll put over here, waiting to be put into the salad. And then let me take the green beans that have cooled off, and I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces. So we'll just cut them through like that, so those guys are ready. Okay, so now you're wondering why it's called a papaya salad. Let's do the papaya. Okay, so here we go with the papaya. Now I'm going to need some room here. I'm going to clean up here for a minute.